Hello editors, welcome for today's tutorial. We're going to make a fire text effect, so follow us. First we're going to make new composition and name it text compose. After that we're going to set the beats to 16 bits per channel, and we're going to make new text layer and make it center, align to the center. And make sure the size of your text is a bit bigger. After that we're going to make a new shape layer. From new shape layer, ellipse tool, we have to make a circle and color it black and align it to the center. Rename this to blur map, and go to effect panel. We are going to add solid composite. After that we are going to add fast box blur and put it on top of solid composite. Change the blur radius to 125 and put the blur map under the text layer. Make a new adjustment layer and rename it to blur displacement. Go to effect panel and add camera lens blur and change the values as example. And uncheck repeat edge pixels. Go and make new adjustment layer and rename it to color green, and go to effect panel. We're going to add the solid composite on our color green layer and change the color to black. Now go to effect panel again and add colorama, output circle, and we're going to change the colors. As you can see guys in the video, the color codes are on the screen. You can guys use these colors.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who
After changing the colors, just arrange the color in the position that I'm composing them, and make sure that white color is on the middle and on the top of black color. We're going to add noise alpha and put it on the top of the effects and change the amount to 75 and others, as in the video you guys can see. Create a new solid color and name it fractal noise, and we're going to add fractal noise on the layer. Just drag it on the fractal noise layer and change the value as you can see in the video. Just follow us. Go to transform and check the uniform scaling, or you can just put the number you want. Hold Alt and click on evolution and write this expression. Let's see, guys. It's looking proper like cloud. After that, we're going to add fast box blur and change the radius to 50. Again, effect panel, and we're going to add calculation. Change the values as you can see in the video, guys. The quality of the video is very good. If I repeat the numbers, it is taking time, so you guys can see in the video. Change the amount of black to 15. After that, we're going to add displacement map on blur displacement and change the values. By the way, guys, any effects and any comments that you guys have, you can write it in comments of this video, and any effect that you guys want to make video on it, just tell me, guys. Share your ideas. Thank you. And here, duplicate the displacement map and change the value like in the video. Make a new adjustment layer and name it glow. Now we're going to add glow effect. And change the radius to 43 and intensity 0.4. Again, duplicate this and change the amount of radius to 100 and intensity to 0.2. New adjustment layer, and we're going to rename it to curve. We're going to add curve effect. And change it something like this. Now go to blur map and scale and uncheck that and press hold Alt and click on scale and write this expression for the wiggle. After that, we're going to add for rotation. Again, hold Alt and press on the stop time of rotation and write this wiggle expression and uncheck the blur map. Let's check, guys. And we're going to make new null object and null it to the blur map to the null. We're going to add animation for scale 105 seconds and first of the frame, and we're making it 0. Press F9 and easy ease. Change the speed graph something like this. It's looking very nice. Now we're going to add noise and change the amount to 10% and uncheck use color noise, and our text effect is ready.